3, 2, 1.
All right, power error, Mike V. My God, what happened to XPEV? What happened here? That's a bad downtick of all my shares. I have 30. That's not looking good anymore. Where are the rest of these China things? LI. All right. I think what I just first of all, Bitcoin's breaking low. There's my HUT. Now with that candle, look at HUT. Big volume on the lows. But HUT, nice cover 29. U, symbol U. Been taking calls all week. Roaring Kitty, I heard, is in this thing. What happened to you? Let's take a look here. I just signed on a little bit. I was out of the office, but look, let's Bitcoin low, QUBT. Here. Dave Getty. Mick, you're in this thing. First of all, Jeff, nice call on the airlines. I'm not getting back to you. You guys are participating. QUBT. IONQ, strongest one all day. That I don't have to look at. IONQ led the way all day. 1, 2, 3. There's freaking 8 drives there. Hold on, I'm on the right page. Yeah. What else? QUBT, QBTS, IONQ. San Francisco Fire Department issues a vacuum alert. Tsunami threat. Why not? U, volume highs. Earthquake. GME resumes. 27 to 30. Okay. Chewy pop. Like, by the way, I covered 6,000 Chewy this morning. I'll show you my cover. Actually, it didn't even pop. Regardless. MSOS popping on tweets. Not interested. Costs. They're taking a memes. Cost popped. GME Roaring Kitty tweet leak. Tweet. Fucking get it together, Mike V. Uber lows. Brought it up. Lunar lows. Snow calls. They're buying strong calls on snow on a dip. Homies. They're buying puts from the homies. There's Lennar break. I don't have to look at Lennar. I already know what it looks like. I see this chart in my dreams. I'm not kidding you. Lennar, I know what that looks like. You want to know why? Because I'm short Zillow. Zillow. Lennar. Beezer. I saw bad news on Beezer. You know what? I don't trade it that much. It's a lot of puts. Beezer, you got to stop that one. All right, listen. This is what we got. We got Roaring Kitty tweets. We got stocks like AAL that's up 20%. And by the way, has more. By the way, AAL's got it both. It's got news and it's got a meme action. Trust me. EQT, XHB, RCAT. I'll tell you, these homies are getting hurt. Tiger, Mara bearish. Mara bearish. Mara bearish. Let's collect ourselves. Japan, heavy to sell. First of all, what happened to XPEN? I got to take care of personal business here. Where's NIO? NIO didn't do that dipper. NIO didn't dip. LI didn't dip. XPEN dipped. What the fuck? You know, at 30,000 shares, a 20-cent down tick. You know, now I got to freaking work out of this thing. XPEV with the downgraded at UBS. All right. I knew there had to be something. Do it agains. Downgraded at UBS. Now we'll look at the downgrade. 20 cents. Downgraded. UBS. Fuck you. Fuck. Jake, right? One of the best low flow traders out there, Jake. He's all in. Unfortunately, he's all in on China too. Roblox. Where's the okay? Let's look where the strong were in the beginning. Let's put away Roaring Kitty. Let's put away Roblox. XPET downgraded. You know what I mean? There's Roblox. You want to argue? Uber. How about my AAOI? It's down 8. I covered it was down 3. Look at that look at that, sorry, look at that move. LQDA. Nvidia bullish. Nvidia bullish. Ford bullish. GM. Tesla. 400 on run. You can go to 400 with or without you. Disclaimer. I took a big position in QS, ask. I take a larger position. How much do I have? 36,000. I know the stock. Gerard in the back there, G Money, made $1 million in the stock. 5 to freaking 9. I had 300,000 in it. I did 288,000 shares. And I'm not putting my ego aside here because these rest of your battery stocks hang in. I wanted to. Sound, stock of the day, another one. That's the stock of the day too, Sound. 2 drive. Let's look right here. Percent gainers in the day. You guys have anything to contribute? That'd be great because I'm kind of getting reacclimated myself. What is this then? ZSPC. Zscaper. Okay, this is the one that could go up to what? Here it is. Z space. Okay. Z space. It's an IPO. Z space. ZSPC at 29, C at 300. I'm just not in the mood to trade this thing right now, man. Oris. Another one. Oris Rise Holdings halted to the upside. 2 million stocks have halted last. Hold on. Here we go live. This is what's going on. Can't one. I got freaking 5 low floaters. Oris opened today at 750. Now it's 21. It's bid 120. It's bid up 100. This stock is killing me too. I put my ego. You know what? I'm in this thing. Taking calls all week. Fucking fuck. No, bad trade. Fucking bastard. Who is this? Anybody know what I do for a living? Okay. Stocks are getting hauled up. You can think a lot of things with this type of speculation situation. Usually this type of speculation comes at the end. Oris, RKDA, at the low. Not interested. Guys, listen, Mick, where are you? The freaking 8 low floaters are getting halted left and right. This is when I need you. Not to tell me about the airlines. I put in all due respect, I get it. Fox, not interested. QBTS, have a big interest. How can you not have an interest in QBTS here? You wanted to close above 378, right? QBTS, there's the weekly. This RSI goes to like 92. Stock will be 12. No, you know what? Let's be honest. Stock will be, you know what it'll go to? Go to right here. Go to like 5. GME still taking calls. My God, look what's going on here. Sound, NVTS. What is this thing? NVTS, Navitas Semiconductor. Traded 13 million, NVTS, Navis Semiconductor. It's up to you. Net, I'm not talking about the ones, the low floaters that got halted. I want to trade bad with a hat on. Net, they'll work. RB, listen, this is what Jesus says. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast. RBRK into earnings. This has been the number one underneath the radar stock. RBRK. Rubric. And this is the one. It's under-owned. It's under-loved. It's new. It's fresh. I'm not saying it goes into earnings. It works. This is a fresh stock. You got to watch. It's fresh. SFHG. AAL at the high. Oh, my God. I can't even look. Build-A-Bear Workshop. You guys like low floaters to a degree? I've seen the stock go to $500 before. Build-A-Bear. You walk into the mall and you stuff bears. You do. I've seen this thing. Let's go back. Weekly, monthly, baby. A lot longer than that. Build a bear. It doesn't have been trading. So before 2005, this thing was like one of these. Listen, I'll point it right out to you. Okay, it's up to you. I can lead you to the water. I can't force you to drink. RBRK, RBRK, GME calls. Uber is not bullish. That's covering. Let's look what's weak. I got so much bullshit that I can't even concentrate on this JMIA. Bullish. That's covering. Plug. I saw a plug. Nice call. You're right on plug. You want to know why I went on plug? I don't even have to look, Jeff. First of all, I saw calls go by, and CHPT led the way. By the way, QS is to a degree in that. I saw it. I saw plug. I saw plug. Good job, Jeff. Thank God you picked fucking stocks better than football games. That's for sure. Plug. I see it. CHPT. Let's take a check. CSIQ had bad news, so that was on the logo. Where's my QS? No, this stock is. This is going to put me. Let's go to the main board. I'm going to take some losses. More than I thought I would have had it. Card, Reddit, GME. This is what's going to happen. You'll see Microsoft. Where's Google? Good call, Coach. Google, Square breaking low, Affirm, General Motors, Uber's down 7. 7. ACHR. How about the play on calls? Hims gave it back. This could be the one. This could be one. This could pull an AAOI with Lilly. You know what? This could pull an AAOI. Sound paying in there. BBAI, another one to keep an eye on. Oh, God. Piton taking calls. Oh, my God. Oils. Fucking stuck in oils. Mara breaking low. Hut going to go negative. Mister, great sell on it. There, Mick. 400. Having no ego. Jobs to make money, not to be right. Where's UAL? UAL came back $5. Yeah, there you go. I'm down 70 in UAL. You believe that? There's my price right here. 93. I'm down 10. I can't fucking believe I'm down that much in UAL. Should be in sound. Like a man. What's this? AUR. Another one. Oh my God. All right. Look at it 3. Jeff being professional. I'm not going to talk. Yes, it could hit 3. Yes, it could hit 3. A couple of reasons why, Jeff. First of all, you've been trading well, to be honest. It's got it in it. You know the resist AAL. My glasses. Fuck. The dog. Tony Pistachio. What time is it? I'm actually on camera here. Mizzou. You know what, Mizzou? Thank you for I wouldn't talk you out of this U. You know what this U could very well pull? This is what you could do. Yeah, way to be aware of the action. You could pull something like Twilo. You could do exactly what Twilo did. Calls. There's the self-explanatory from a charting standpoint. I wouldn't talk you out of that. You know what I would do if you don't know? There's the weekly. Now, if you own the stock, you buy calls on dips. Don't tie up too much capital in this. If you're in the positive, you buy calls on dips. You buy calls on dips. ZSPC, $8 down tick. ZSPC halted. I was on at 12. I had a $10 down tick since I've been on. No problem. AAL at the high. Foot Locker at the low for anybody that likes trading. For example, this type of Gerard's trade, Foot Locker. Pure trade. QUBT, is that the one? IONQ? This look like the ones. Coles, A&F. What happened here? Oh, it's AEO. That's why. Onion, CMG. I was short CMG. You want to know where I covered it? Said enough is enough. Covered 8,000. Yeah, I'll show you. Young China. Yeah, right there. I bought 5,000. Filled 64.08 on CMG. Right there. Was short it. Didn't work. Going higher with or without you. Bitcoin lows. Talk to me, guys. Mizzou. Thanks for sharing. I like that, man. Or if you're a push. Yeah. You want purity? Purity. Purity is this. QUBT, AAL, sound was Planetary. This thing ain't coming. I'm sure it's Planetary. Uber's down $7. There's too many up. IONQ up 3, Uber down 7, AAOI down 9, Chewy's down 2, yet CMG's up 1, A&F down 11, Goldman's, I don't know, Sprint, Microsoft, Roblox, Shopify at the high. What's going to stop the Shopify? It's holiday season, the Shopify. Mike V. I'm sorry if less is better at this point. Got to collect myself. Not done yet. Power hour's not done. You know what? There's miserable. I'm going to join in that you. And I'm late. Coles have been going off on that. Forget about Hello Kitty. Which is Thursday. There's not many earnings supposed to be coming out Thursday night. Friday morning is usually nothing. After the close on Thursday, oh my God. RBRK, smart. Oh, don't make me do it. But I will say this. Asan calls have been going off. And I wouldn't blame anybody for trying. There's the chart on Asan. And if you get a little bit lucky and the momentum continues, no matter what happens, they have a chance of taking it up huge. Path as earnings. Not interested. Lulu. I hear the boys are buying it. You hear me? I hear the boys are buying it. I'll put my money where my mouth is. Where is it? I'll buy 50 freaking Lulu. The boys are telling me. There you go. I'm in Lulu. AOI breaking low. What else? UAL. This ain't coming down. 105, 103. But the stock's up freaking $18 in 2 days and it came down $1. I think I got it. AAL. This, you know what? If it's me, this AAL could really, really work more. I've seen it. I've been involved in it. Was QS. Oh, I saw another one go off. Stop. I'm not falling for it. It's the right environment to do it, but I'm not going to do it. GitLab in the fund. What should I do with this thing into earnings? Not acting that well. I have it in the fund. DocuSign, Parabolic, IoT. Can't get my hands on it. HPE calls are going off the board. Maybe a sell before the woof. As news, as earnings. I'll tell you, if you want to do something binary, that's the one. That's the binary move, Mike V. Disclaimer, buy an option if you want. Listen, the smart thing to do is, this is a smart thing to do. Go back and watch our YouTube channel. I do 2 videos a day. Sometimes Coach does too. Okay. Get yourself a demo account right there. Buy Cole and Hassan, Cole and Lulu. Demo. Get to know what we do. Not really saying get into start taking binary moves into earnings. There you go. Cheers. Thanks, Angel.